As a digital artist, I've tried everything from smartphones to tablets to laptops with 360 hinges. I hated iPads with the origami cover that plops over. I love sketching on my Samsung Note, but I also have to go back to a laptop for any professional work. My laptop with the 360 hinge gets the job done, but I didn't love the form factor. I thought I could get used to the keyboard in the back, but I never really did. Ultimately, the Surface Pro with a wireless keyboard is my preferred choice, and I got a chance to try out the new Brydge 12.3 Pro Plus as part of their beta program. The Brydge may have finally addressed my needs. It's a Bluetooth keyboard with unique hinges that hold the Surface like a laptop. Since it's wireless, I could place the keyboard on the side so I can access the quick keys when I'm drawing, or easily prop up the tablet to bring the display to eye level when I'm editing video. It offers a lot of possibilities that traditional laptops do not. The hinges have a range from 0 to 180 degrees. This should be enough for most situations. The build quality is superb and matches almost perfectly with the Surface Pro. You may notice that the paint job on the Brydge is slightly sparklier than the silver Surface Pro. The keyboard has metal construction and feels solid without being too heavy. One major concern from some users is light bleed from the pressure of the hinges. I noticed a little bit of this when opening and closing, but it seems minor enough that I'm not terribly concerned. I will update if this becomes an issue. There is a little bit of flexibility in the hinges, so you may be able to loosen or tighten slightly if necessary. The typing experience is better in most third-party keyboards and on par with the major manufacturers. The keys have good travel without being too noisy. I'm going to be quiet for a minute so you can hear me typing. The backlight has 3 levels of brightness. Unfortunately, it only colors cool white. I would prefer a warmer color. The backlight will also time out pretty quickly when you're not typing, even if you're actively using a touchpad. The Bluetooth 5.0 connection was very easy to set up and will reconnect very quickly after it goes to sleep. One key difference from the previous model is the bigger and better touchpad. The touchpad works as expected and all the gestures function flawlessly. The USB Type-C port for charging is another welcome addition, particularly for the Surface Pro 7, which finally gets USB-C as well, so now everything can be charged with the same cable. This combination allows for proper ergonomics in the office and lappability when I'm on the go. It allows me to go quickly from painting to cutting video. It allows me to do just about everything a tablet and laptop can do, but in one device that I can picture myself using for the years to come.